Basically, it's helped our circulation. We increased our press run on this issue significantly, and in our retail outlets, sales are up. The only problem we're having right now is the bad weather.
Have you found a new printer?
We've got a printer temporarily. We're not sure about permanently. We feel like one of the important questions about this whole thing is basically freedom of press, and your press is not free if you put out a newspaper and then can't find somebody to print it. And if the only way you can get your point of view across is to have enough backing to set up your own printing facilities, it's not really a free press in the country.
Why was one page of that scandal sheet included in this week's edition of the newspaper?
Well, we felt like it was important to show our readers. A lot of people in town hadn't had the opportunity to see it, and we think it illustrates what we feel is wrong with America. America has a lot of hang-ups about sex, and it illustrates very well that. It shows the way that the reactionary elements in the country just think and the way they work. And we think the main reason that they fear the bird is because of what we say about politics and about the more important questions. And they're attempting to use what they consider obscenity against us to discredit us on the more basic questions.
How do you feel about excerpts being taken from the bird for use in a political campaign?
Let me make it clear that it is excerpts from the bird. This is not the Great Speckled Bird. These are excerpts from about 20 issues of the newspaper. One of the confusing things is that a lot of the news coverage and just public discussion of the whole question has confused the sheet with the bird. I think it shows. Well, it's just a commentary on the American political situation when someone can take this and use it very effectively to their advantage. It just shows how sick American politics is.
Was all the material in that scandal sheet actually taken from the Great Speckled Bird?
Yeah, all the stuff that they credited us with was from the bird. Some of it was copyrighted material, and if the grand jury returns indictment against someone for doing this, we plan to file suit against them for that.